Okay, two more to finish off the lesson. We've got a base function, grid 11 function here, the absolute value function. So we've got a couple things that are actually happening to this one. We're combining two transformations. So our absolute value function was this relationship, and the base graph looks like that. Okay, it was like the parabola, but went in straight lines. So I'm going to put this there and this there because they're going to go, these lines go over one and up, oopsies, over one and up one, over one and up one, over one and up one. So they go through 1 at 1, 2 at 2, 3 at 3, 4 at 4, 5 at 5. Okay, so there's our base graph. And we're going to do two things to it according to that equation. There is a blue right there for me. So I might change the color of my other graph because the green was giving us some issues. The function of absolute value. Okay, translations. Something is happening inside. And with this question, the absolute value brackets act as though the absolute value sign acts as though they're brackets. So it's like saying that's happening inside the function, and then this is happening outside the function. So we've got both a horizontal and a vertical translation happening to this one. So we always read our translations from left to right. We're going to go horizontal translation 2 units. If it's -2 in the bracket, do the opposite to the right. And then our +1 would be a vertical transformation or translation 1 unit up. So we're going to take this graph. We are going to move every point 2 to the right and up 1. Okay. I know the base graph, so I don't have to take individual points and move them. That's kind of the bonus of knowing what the base graph is. So I'm just going to go from 0, 0. I'm going to go up 1, right 2. That's going to be the V point of my new graph. And then I'm just going to throw down my straight lines. I know that this goes through parallel to that. It goes up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And then this is going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. There we go. That's pretty much perfect. So change those colors to red. Red. Okay. So this graph has been, what am I doing? Get rid of this. Go away. Okay. It's okay. Okay. This is going to be f of x equals the absolute value of x, and we moved it over 2 to the right, but then we moved the whole thing up 1. Nice. Is that it? Did I skip one? Haha, I skipped one. Awesome. I'm doing it now. I don't care if it's backwards in the movie. Okay, here's our absolute value, and we're going to have a +1. So this is only a transformation that's acting on the inside of the absolute value function. So it's only going to hit our horizontal. So our base graph, again, is y equals the absolute value of x, and our translation is going to be horizontal translation. If it's +1 and it's horizontal, we do the opposite, left 1 unit. Okay, so my base graph is going to be over 1 up 1 over 1 up 1 over 1 up 1 from 0, 0. And that's going to be blue. And then we are going to transform this, and I'm just going to move my V point again and draw my graph from there. So we're going to go left 1 unit. And that is right there. And draw my V's from there. Got to be parallel to that. Over 1, up 1. I didn't line that one up great, but you get the point. Then this one's going to go over 1, up 1 through all of the nice ones. Yep. Boom, boom. All of that. Little bit of that. Starting to feel better about things. F function of x is the absolute value of x, and it has been moved to the left 1 unit. I just had a thought. We should go back and do add domain and range for all of these. Wouldn't that be fun? Yes, yes, I want you to. Okay, we won't. That's it for my lessons for today.